this is it. Congratulations, YM.
Congratulations, Aptito Pale!
Congratulations, Aptito!
Congratulations, Aptito Pale!
Congratulations, Dindo. Sabi no, dating G-Ride rider and right now, driving his Chevrolet Camaro. Di ba? So, Bumblebee! Grabe!
Alright, right now we are here siyempre sa Ortigas para at least maglabas, mag-reveal ng sport car dito sa community. By the way, congratulations Tito Pable, you deserve. Right, so I know this is just the beginning. Marami pang susunod at marami pang mangyayari. And I'm so very excited na yung buong community papangarapin din ito. Deserve din na bawat isa to. Kaya sa mga nagsisimula right now, push yourself. Darating at darating yung time. Tayo naman yung susunod!